Hi you guys, welcome back right here. No road, no problem. May you not subscribe, and click a like. Now we have here a F-31 4K pocket drone. And the brand is, I believe it's Ontixo. I don't know how to say it, but we're gonna open this and see what it has. And just an open box. See if you buy one, what are you getting? So far, we're gonna check the box. It says right here, further, fast and clear, plus ion battery, plus clarity. Single. It has a camera that rotates and vision sensor. Has also a GPS and a map. I believe when it gets lost or you want to know exactly where your drone is, you could check it on your phone. It's also by Google Play and Apple Store. So let's go on the other side. It says remote control.
Hold on. Okay, there we go. It wasn't focusing.
Okay, remote control, different angles. On the bottom says the battery and how to put the battery. And then it says smart app controller. So you could download the app on your phone, put it inside put it on top of the controller. With a remote control, you can move it, and it has a camera to see where you're going. So I like what it says. I don't know a lot about this drone. I bought it because it was it's under 200. The price was under 200, and I've been wanting a drone because when I go off-roading with my kids, I could actually, with the drone, I could see where they are located, or I could record myself if I'm going to the mountains or anything. I think it's important to have one, especially if I have kids. I want to know exactly they're far from me, and I want to see where they're at. I could check. Even though we do have Bluetooth, we do have phones. It's always good to know where you're at. Check the phone. Also, just to have a good vision about what's everything surrounding us, and that's why I bought it. And let's go open it. It says it's 4K. Let's see. Like if it falls, it's gonna protect the drone. Oh, and it also has a handle. Now we open. The first thing I see is this. What's inside the zipper? We have a little screw. We have a C cable connector. I think to charge the batteries. C cable. That's Type C. What do we got next? What do you call those? Propellers?
That's what I was gonna say. Propellers.
So, en español ese dron tiene Type C como de Android. So, pues, you could use this on your phone, or the charger. You have Android, you can charge it with your phone charger to this drone. Si tienen un Android, pueden usar el cargador del teléfono para cargar esto, porque tiene Type-C. Now let's check inside. There's the menu. I'll check it out later. Right now, I'm just gonna show you what it has inside. It looks nice. And it has this little sticky thing. I don't know why it's sticky. It looks like it's on the screen. It belongs in the screen right here.
Oh, yeah.
Did it fall down? Look. It's missing it.
It says worm tips. Please remove the scratch proof off the remote control and aircraft before use. Yeah, I think you have to stick it and then you peel this off.
But why is it already sticky in here?
I don't know.
I think it just fall off. So got that little piece. I'm gonna press it all the way down. And it says to remove this little sticker on top of it. So what I see so far, it has a GPS, a 4K picture camera, to lock, to turn it on, turn it off, I believe. How do you? Well, I these are two antennas. I don't know. You move it up. Oh, there we go. It's kind of hard. Those are the antennas to get the signal. Hopefully I didn't. No, I think it goes like that. I don't think I'm breaking. And it says AA batteries, 2 of them. This brand, the model of this drone is F31. No, it has something else. Huh. Does it go down or go up? Or they go down? Oh, okay. It says that this one's to hold it and right here is to put the phone. So I think these are the antennas and this is to hold the phone. That's weird. I don't know how this is gonna hold the phone.
Let me see.
So
What the?
you see?
Yeah.
So I bought this because it was cheap and it was 4K for the price, and I hope I like it. I never had a drone. I've been wanting one for safety reasons and because to record myself. Let me see.
It looks like this one's put on backwards.
Because if you pull the phone, it's gonna fall down.
Yeah.
So it looked like they put it wrong. So it does have something in here. Oh, right here is to put the phone in there.
That's cool.
Then it goes all the way inside. Let me check. This is the phone I have. I don't know if it. I don't think it's gonna fit. So let me check this. This is so weird. It's supposed to go like this and this. Okay, we're gonna put it here. I'm gonna open this. So that's how wide it goes. My phone is too big for it. And yeah, it's too small for my phone.
But you don't have to have the phone on there, huh?
You don't have to have the phone. You could just put it right there. This is so. It looks like.
Like one's backwards.
They look like once you put it, it falls down. Yeah. Yeah. So, what I'm gonna do is put it right here, and then with a rubber band, And then once I have it across, put a rubber band across. That's the way I'm gonna do it. But I think I am gonna get a small phone on the future. So there we go. Now let's check what it has. Comes one battery. When I was buying it, the guy said it comes with 2 batteries, but no, it comes with 1 battery. Goes right there. So let's put it on. I don't know if it comes charged, but okay, so the C charge goes on top, facing up. And I think I have to open this. I have to. It's so stiff. Everything that I got is so stiff. And then, oh no, C down. Why doesn't go all the way? Yeah, so what I did, I tried to lift this up without breaking it in order for the battery to go in there. And it says turn on. We hold it. I think it just shows. There we go. We hold it like for like, how much it took me? Like 5 seconds?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, 5 seconds. I see the light green. It has less than 3 bars. And let's open the other one. It's so stiff.
Better stiff than loose, no?
No, these are loose, but the arms are stiff. Okay, now you have it here. It's manual. I think these are extra propellers. And let's see, charge. And then there's with the phone downloaded right there, the barcode. So I'm gonna with the barcode gonna download it, and I'm gonna put shorts videos. If I when I'm flying it, or if I knew something, new tricks, or what can I do with it. Really don't know, but stay subscribed. I noticed the camera goes down, goes up. So thank you for watching. The camera right here, they don't rotate 360. Stay tuned for short clips. Diana! Oh wow, it's going super fast. I don't know why it was going super fast.